All right, it's time to pick our winners. Remember, 3 winners. Okay, I've entered all the entries. I'm going to click the start button. Here we go. First winner, Kathi Davis. Woo! Pick another winner. Here we go. Yvette Thomas. And the final winner, Debra Barber. All right, congratulations to all 3 people. I'll put everything down below in the description. With those 3 people, please read the description. My email address is there and reach out to me. I'm going to need your mailing address to send you your prizes.